take the brain out and examine it.
Well, today, based on scientific evidence, we can confirm that Patrick Lyoya was shot in the back of his head. That is now scientific evidence of this tragic killing and what his family believes was an execution. They want you to turn around one more time.
And it lodged under the skin. Why under the skin? Because the skin is elastic. There was no question, and there is no question, and there never will be question, that this was a typical entrance bullet wound.
Millisecond, the nanosecond that he shoots him, he has his hand on his head. We concluded that we have to investigate thoroughly whether this is a DWB. Where we know in the African American community as the classic driving while black profiling case.
No other injury besides this. And it caused the brain to swell. Swelled at this point when I did the autopsy. Why not? Because he was kept on life support for a whole week.
From the second that he pulled the weapon until he shot and killed Patrick was milliseconds, as Ben said. Never gave a verbal warning, which is required under the federal law.
Whether or not the gun was pressed to the back of Patrick's head?
I'm sorry, say that again.
Did you make a determination whether